Alright, I'm back here. First problem with the old E39 here. Driving home, and she started to run really rough. Really bad. Breaking up, you can't even drive it. So, I just got home. See if you can read this. I am getting a cylinder 2 misfire and crank position sensor. What are the codes? Oh, here it is right there. PO340, which is the crank position sensor, and cylinder 2. So I'm guessing the cylinder 2 is throwing off. The crank position sensor is throwing off cylinder 2. So I got a job to do. It's right down underneath here. Got to pull this off. Like this is the Vanos valve or something, and this wire right here goes to the sensor. So I got to pull this off, and this off, and then this off, and I should be able to see it right underneath here then and change it, no problem. Oh, it's like 4:30 right now. I'm not going to do it. Figures I got a big job going on here, rebuilding the back brakes on this. So it's a little cold out right now. It's January 2017. So that's my job for tomorrow afternoon, if the weather's permitting. Or hopefully I can get this thing out of the way, which is still a major job right here, and get it going. So next time we see this, hopefully she's running, and that'll be it. Quick update on how it's going. Other than that, the car's been running fine. Been doing very well. This scanner comes in handy. The Creator C310, just for BMW only. It plugs in right up here to this little doodad. Oh, sorry about the shaking. Or it also plugs in underneath the dashboard and the regular OBD2 port, so you could go either way. What's nice is when you're working on the engine out here, you can have it right here in front of you and see exactly what's going on. Yeah, so I'm going to get the new crank positioning sensor tomorrow. This is cylinder 2 right here. I already pulled that off. Everything's fine there. I'll probably just put a new... since I'm there, I might as well just put a brand new freaking coil pack in there anyways. I already talked to one of my buddies at the parts store. $50 for a Bosch one. I'd rather use BMW, but it looks like someone already put Bosch on here, because the normal BMW ones are all black from what I remember. But anyways, so that's it for now. So she's been pretty flawless up until then. The guy before me said he did the cam positioning sensor on this, and this guy didn't know anything about turning a wrench or doing anything. So he must have did something wrong or bought a cheap auto parts store one. I'm not sure. At any rate, that's it for now. Hope a day or two I'll be able to update this and finish this video off, hopefully with a nicely running E39 again. Alright, so that's it. Alright, it's the next day here. I got the part, came in today. I bought a cheap made in Germany coil. So I'll give this one a try. If it works good, I'm eventually just going to replace all the coil packs with BMW coil packs. Not too crazy about these aftermarket ones, but just to see if it is the coil number 2, which is this one. Just to make sure it is that, I'll just spend a little bit of money right now. If not, then I'm pulling this apart to do the crank position sensor. So that's it. So for right now, I'm going to pull out the coil, put this one on, and give it a try. And if it does run, I bought a bottle of this Lucas fuel injector cleaner. I read good things about this on the Beamer Fest forums, so I'll give it a try. Alright, so let me get to pulling this off. It's just 2 bolts, 10mm. One there, one there. Oh, sorry about the shakiness. Anyways, it's just there. Although it says 5, it's actually 2. But if you're looking at the firing order, that would be 5. And the 2 back here, that would be that's actually the number 5 coil cylinder, but it'd be number 2 in the firing order. So just so you know, I should have marked them by cylinder, not by firing order. Anyways, so that's it for now. Let me change this out. We'll start her up and see if that's it. If not, we're making a trip over to BMW and picking up a cam position sensor. I'm not even fooling around with an aftermarket one, Bavarian Auto Sparks or any of those places. Not even maybe. So let's see how it goes. Wish me luck. All right, I got it out. Only took a second. Just unplugs, goes in. So here goes the new one right here. I just got to take this off, put it on here, and where is it? I got some dielectric grease right here. Make sure you grease everything up nice. So I'm going to try putting this phone over here and see how it works. Let's see. Alright, go like this. That goes off. Here goes the new one. Put a little in there. Slide this back on. I heard it click on. A little bit more right here. There we go. That'll slide into the spark plug, and we should be okay. Yeah, so that's it. Hopefully that came out. If not, I won't use it then. All right, so let me finish installing it, and let's hope she works. All right, she's in there. The plug was a little difficult to put on. That's what happens when you buy these cheap coils. Anyways, let's give it a try. Wish me luck. There you go. To make my day. If this works out. Oh, I just dropped my keys. Yeah, it's January 2017. It's a nice 60-degree weather day here in Connecticut. So, couldn't be a better day for this. Yeah, I guess that fixed it. Let it run a second. Figures I got a squeal now. Might be because of the rain. Check engine lights on still, but I could shut that off. Yeah, that fixed it. Coil number 2. Perfect. I thought I was going to have to go out there. Whoa. I didn't realize I had to tape these again. Perfect. I thought I was going to have to go pull the cam positioning sensor off and everything. This just made my day. Put the window down. Alright, now I can work on other products. I got to finish the Grand National in there. I got a bunch of parts for this car I got to put on. The CD player came in. The disc changer for the trunk came in a couple days ago in the mail. So I have that. I'm waiting on the brackets though. What else? I got a bunch of little odds and ends in here to fix the minor stuff. Yeah. So that's it. Let's let this run a little bit. I'll get out of the car. Yeah, I love an easy fix. And that's it. She's good. No complaints. Oh, you know what I got to still throw in? This. Let me do this right now. You know what? The car's got to be off to open up the gas filler. Let me let it warm up and see if everything's okay. Then we'll add this next. And hopefully it does a good job. Alright, I'm happy now. Now I get to go finish this. Take it out for a rip later on. With some nice burnouts with it. And still got to do the training in this. We'll get to it. Everything else is running good here though, so no complaints. Alright, that's it for now. Bye. Alright, I'm back. Last thing I'm doing is got the Creator C310, this Chinese made thing. I'm going to erase all the trouble codes, shut the light off, and hopefully it stays off. Fault codes erased. So yeah, that's it. It's all set. Let's make sure that the check engine light's off. Yep. We're good. Easy fix. Alright, so that's it. Video's gonna be over right here. I gotta say, if you got one of these old BMWs, definitely get one of these. Cheap. I think I paid $59 or $69 for that. Plus I had to get the cord with another $10, or it was like $8. It's worth it. They got better ones for sure, but you're gonna pay for those. This does everything that does. Nice and cheap. All right, that's it. Video over. Bye.